Hello to everybody, that's Morticia C and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to write me your opinion and subscribe to my channel. The top of mistakes what artists make with the galleries. And we will start to talk, we just touched that topic about communication. Normally, when you're an artist, even if you're a great, incredible artist and you're doing amazingly beautiful artworks, and your artworks, they are so deep, so incredible, so gorgeous. You're a sculptor, you're a digital artist, what mixing different kind of techniques and style. You can be painter, whatever art you're doing, and you're dreaming or you just want it to be in a gallery, what you are doing wrong. You want it to be inside. You want it to be in the gallery. You wanted to show your art to everyone in the galleries. You want to be visible. But you're promoting yourself incorrectly, and this is super duper bad. Welcome, schmelcome. Number one is that what normally artists sending your mail to them, and you're expecting what they will reply to you, and they say yes. But of course, no. Again, probably. Why? You think about your art. Why? This is so gorgeous. I'm so cool artist. What's wrong with them? What's wrong with them? No, baby, what's wrong with you? Because this is about personal charisma. This is about personal relationships again. So if you're sending a letter, a mail to the gallery, any galleries, better to start some conversation from the beginning. And before the conversation, if you can start it, your art experiment with the galleries from your local gallery. You need to go there and talk with the curator, talk with the owner, just talk with somebody who's working there. Because nobody cares. Do you like the truth or you don't like the truth? But it's working like that. Go there to your gallery or the place where people showing the artworks. I don't know, it can be some just a specific independent art space, and talk with the owner and represent yourself, who you are. Give them knowledge who you are. They should be interested on you, like on the person. Don't try to catch the luck. Just be yourself and take it easy. Easy. This is nobody dying. Don't need to nervous. Just try to breathing and just try to fly a little bit and try to talk with the people about that, who you are, what you are doing, what means your art. Don't show them all your artworks. Just show couple of 2, 3, 4 pieces. What do you think is the best? Just show them these artworks. It can be on your laptop. It can be on your phone. But before to showing the artworks, try to build a communication with them. Don't try to build a friendship. Just try to be nice. Just try to be honest and nice, and ask them about that artwork, what they presented on the walls. And when you started to discuss, you can say like, oh, I'm an artist too. Do you need some artists? I'm a great artist. Do you want? I want to show you my artworks. Are you interested in that? And please, they can regret you. Be calm. Be calm. If they regret you and they say, no, I'm sorry, we're not interested, we're not watching, we're not looking for new faces, just say them, thank you, thank you. Maybe someday, maybe you can play with your luck. Can you just send them a letter about yourself? And inside of this letter, just write your biography, who you are like a person. Show them all your scars. This is a time. Right now, this time is that time when you can monetize your scars. You can monetize your pain. So if you hide it, some specific experience from your life, this is right now the right time to show that what you has a pain or you have a pain. Just okay, if you have a pain, just try to monetize that. Like I have a lot of pain in my life. I has a lot of pain in my life when I grew up, when I was a child, and until 25, I was living like in a hell. Someday maybe I'll explain a little bit, but it's more about psychology. It doesn't matter what quality of your art. Unfortunately, everything, it's 70% about the artist. Who is behind that art? Who is the person? Who is that person behind that art? Who is the creator? And how the creator living with his or her own pain. Third mistake is that are you ready to that? Are you sure you're ready? I'm not talking right now about the quality. I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about that. Are you ready like a person to be an artist? Are you ready like a person to be a successful artist? Are you ready to that? Can you figure it out? What you will do? A lot of people, they don't trying to be a success, like they want to be a successful artist, they want to be an artist, but they don't understand what they're not ready. Yeah, it sounds very strange, a little bit funny, but this is true. They're dreaming about that, how to be an artist. They're dreaming about that, how to be a successful artist, but they totally not ready to that work, what they should to do. Because this trial to trace life, they need to constantly learn and learn art, how to create, marketing, how to work with the people. Right now it's working like that. If you want to be an artist, you can't stay inside of the box. If you're living inside of the box, if you're living in the jungle, in your bungalow, and suddenly, boom, some fairy came to you and say like, boom, your artwork is so incredible. I'll give my walls of my gallery, so can you just be my artist? You're lucky, but unfortunately it doesn't work. This is an exception. This is about discipline. This is about responsibility. Are you ready to that? Are you ready to grow up like a person? Are you ready to grow up? I hope that you're ready. So this was my small tips, my small advices, my small content today about that interesting topic. So if it was interesting for you, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Morticia C. find me on my Instagram. I have Instagram, Martisha in the Sea, and my Etsy shop, Martisha Sea. So yeah. And thank you for watching it. Thank you for that, what you with me. Please write in the comments which kind of topic will be interesting for you, and I'll make the video. So don't forget to be happy, and don't forget to be yourself, my sweetie pies. That was Martisha C.